Oh, what's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. Today we have the XG300 from Sony. Now, Sony sent this out this way to give it a little test and check it out. These just dropped. They have a line. They have 2 new speakers, or 3 if you include this one. This is what they look like. So right now, this speaker is going for $350, and it comes in 2 different colors. You can get it in this gray, or you can get it in black. So I decided to go with the gray because normally all the big speakers, you see them, they're always in black, and I was like, okay, they got a gray option. Now, I would say this is a large speaker, but it's kind of smaller compared to its big brother, the XG500. So that one is on sale right now. Normally it's a $500 speaker. It's on sale for $400. For $50 more, you can get a bigger version of this one. So you can't go wrong with either. So big brother already had his shine. Let's talk about the little brother. So this speaker has 25 hours of battery life. And normally when they say that, they test that at low volumes. Remember that. All brands, all speakers tested at like mid to low volume. So I'm probably thinking you'll probably get around 7 to 10 on max volume, and 10 is being very generous. You'll probably be looking more in that 7 range on max volume all day nonstop if that's how you play this speaker. So when it comes to the waterproofness of the speaker, is IP67. That means you're gonna have no problem with the dust hitting it, or if you're using it on camping or any of that, don't worry about the dust being kicked up. The speaker is gonna be fine. And with the 7 and the IP67, that means it's waterproof. It could be submerged in water, so you can use it at the pool, at the beach. You won't have nothing to worry about. Matter of fact, let's run a clip of me dumping it in the water and pulling it out, and the music's still playing like nothing happened. All right, so when you pull down your flappy folds right here, then you have where you'll charge at, and then you have a aux-in cable, so you can use this at your PC setup if you want, because it is a nice speaker and the design is really nice to have. Also, you have the USB cable. Now with the USB cable, you can charge up your phone. Be careful, the speaker will get drained when you connect your phone. Please believe me, I've done it multiple times. So if you're the life of the party, if you're the speaker guy and you're trying to charge your phone at the same time, your speaker will die quicker. Also, you've seen the light button on there, so if you press the light button, it'll turn on and off right there, and you'll see the different hues, a little ring on both sides of it, and it switches different colors from red to green to blue and so on and so forth. So you got different colors when you do that. It will also drain your battery if you have that on as well. I don't really think it's that much of an effect to waste your battery with, honestly, in my opinion. So I'll just leave that off. I know you're like, Rod, just let me hear the speaker already. All right, I got you, don't worry. We're gonna get to the sound test at the end of this video, but if you wanna jump there already, I'm not mad at you. Just use the little timeline. I have it chopped up for you and skip right there. So one thing I do like about this, you do have a handle that just disappears, you know, you don't have to worry about it. Great aerodynamics on this speaker, but you just tap it, it's gone, pull it out, good to go. I do like that. Nice, easy, simple to carry speaker. So you also have the app. My sister will put it up right here. So as you see, you have your library, you have an audio in, you have all that stuff, basically how you're going to listen to your music. But if you go down to settings, this will let you customize everything right here. So first you have sound, and in sound you have the mega bass area. You can put that on live sound, custom, whatever you want to do. And then you have the DJ effect, meaning you could do like isolate and do all DJ stuff, whatever, all that. And you have a Bluetooth setting, like you can connect it so it can prioritize the sound or the stability between the phone and the speaker, whatever you want right there. Also in the sound, you can customize your EQ in here. So yeah, you go to sound effect, click custom, and then you can customize, and there's the EQ area right there. Very simple EQ for any of you guys to understand. Normally I like to boost all my EQs up by 2 or 3. I don't really like to max it out, but if you want to, do your thing. All our ears are different, so you might like the sound your way. Also, you have the power options. The power options, they have the stamina, the battery care, all that stuff right there for you to, you know, take care of your battery and how you want to optimize your power of your speaker. And then you have the illumination, and that lets you do the light modes and what kind of style you want on the lights of your speaker. And what else do we have here? And that's basically a system. It just tells you what speaker you have, and that's basically it in the app. So you can do so many different things in the app, and if you want to customize your lights, if you are going to use them in the app, and customize your sound. All right, so when it comes to the sound quality of this, we tested it out a little bit more. We listened to songs, having some fun. You get really good sound quality. I like the way it handles the highs. It sounds really crisp, really clear, and it controls that. I have a couple songs where the claps and the hi-hats are really loud, they're ear piercing, and this handled it really well. When it comes to the bass, I use this 121 Savage song it's a low rumbling bass, and it handled that well. You know, you could click the mega bass on here, and I could hear the little rumble in the speaker. Now, I'm not saying it's going to shake and knock stuff off of your desk, but you could still hear it, and it did really good as well. The Sony speakers, just have good sound quality in general. But you can also use the EQ app to boost it up wherever you want and get even better sound quality and perfect for your ears. If you're into like country music or indie rock or any of that, they have a live mode in the app. You can click to that, and then that'll let you get more of a live sounding feel. Feels like you're kind of in with the band, you know what I'm saying? So you have those different modes and all that, and you can EQ this speaker to your liking. But all around, when it comes to the crispiness of the sound, I like what they're putting out with this speaker. All right, Buzz, let's get to the sound test right now. So that was a sound test. I already told you what I thought about it. If you guys like this video and want to check out the older brother, I put the link right here so you can check out one of those. And if you like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. I'll see all you guys in my next video. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy. Everyone be safe out there. Peace.